Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, Coach Ritika, and today's video is about 21.2, the second workout of CrossFit Opens 2021. It is actually a repeat of the first workout of 2017. I did it back then and I exactly remember how it felt. Just sharing my initial thoughts before I go and attempt the workout. You need to pace yourself right from the beginning. This is super important if you want to get a good score, because if you go too hard or too fast at the beginning of the workout, you're going to gas out and it's going to be pretty bad. That is what happened back in 2017. I'm at the gym right now. I'm about to go and attempt the workout. Post that, I'm going to give you some tips and strategies which you can follow if you want to get a good score out of this workout. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload videos. Alright guys, I just finished 21.2 and it was really hard. I was literally flat on the ground by the end of it. I did this workout back in 2017 and I did it again just now, and here are 5 tips which you can follow to get a better score, because I definitely got a better score by following these tips. So tip number 1 is pace yourself. I've already mentioned that at the start of the video. But what you can do is probably, break your reps into sets. For example, instead of going 10, 20, 30 non-stop, you can probably break it into like sets. The 20 reps of snatches, you can break it into 10, 10. And you can probably hit the snatches with sets of 10. Burpees, you can break it into 8 or 8 and 7, or you can even pace yourself, like go really slow and finish 15 at one go. Actually, what I did was I did not break the burpees into sets. I just finished 15 at one go, but at the same time I made sure that I go slow and I don't give like 100% effort. Tip number 2 is step up from the burpees. So there are a lot of burpee box jump overs and you need to save all the energy you can to get a better score. So when you step up while coming up from the burpee, you first of all save a lot of energy, and secondly you are going to actually save time. How do you save the time? By maintaining a rhythm. So you can probably get 15 burpee box jump overs non-stop if you step up from the burpee. Number 3 is breathe. It's super important, because when we go all out in a workout and we are so focused on doing the movements, we actually kind of forget to breathe and we don't breathe properly and we end up gassing out. So it's really important that you take deep long breaths throughout if you want to maintain that pace. Number 4, try to maintain your form while doing the dumbbell snatches. It's really important, because if you don't, and if you try like curl your back and pick up the dumbbell, then you are going to eventually feel it on your back. That's what happens with most of the athletes and even me. So when I started the workout, my back was pretty good and everything was fine, but the last 30 seconds when I had to do the workout, I just went all out because it was last 30 seconds and I didn't pay much attention to my form. Of course, it's a competition and your reps matters, but if you want to save your back and you don't want a crazy sore back the next day, then try to activate your quads when you're picking the dumbbell up and doing the snatches. Tip number 5 is focus. By focus, I mean don't keep looking at the clock and don't think that you have to finish this many number of reps and this much time is left and I don't know who is doing what. Just focus on your workouts and just go one rep at a time. Just think okay, I have to do 10 snatches and that's it. And once you're done with these 10 snatches, go for the burpee jump overs. Don't keep looking at the clock and be like, oh my god, it's just 5 minutes left and I have this many number of reps left to do. Don't think about all that. Just maintain the pace with which you started and go and get a better score. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you like it, hit that like button. Okay guys, good luck to all the athletes competing in the open season this year. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have any questions, drop in the comments below and I'm definitely going to get back to you. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that red subscribe button and I'm going to see you in the next video.